Good chance. But the good news is I have to win out. Did I count the moves? Yeah, I did count the moves. I did actually count the number of moves. I counted. Why did Fabi drop out? He probably lost a game or something, or lost 2 games and doesn't want to play. I missed a fork? No, I didn't miss a fork. There was no fork. Why am I? What am I doing? What am I doing, you guys? Why am I like? I'm listening to you guys. I'm like, I'm about to spend 10 hours thinking about a blunder. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna end up thinking for like 1 minute here and just like blunder for no good reason. Go here. Oh, Fabi lost another game, so he's got 4 points. Yuck. Here goes Bishop G5. I do have F6 here. Let me think for a second. I assume I should just go Rook E8. But then I don't really want to play F6 here, but I think it's the best move. I mean, F6 and King H8 is fine, but I think I have to play like this. This isn't what I want to do. Knight E5, there's just Bishop F4. Oh, why Bishop F5? What am I doing? Oh, great. Now I'm just messing up against this 2600 guy. Jeez. I'm going to play an endgame, or try to play an endgame. I'm up a lot of time here, so maybe I can make it work. Bum, bum, bum. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum. At least I get an endgame, so like now I can try to pretend. Basically, I'm gonna have to move fast and try to pretend. It goes there. I mean, I can play C5. I don't really want to. I can also go B5. But if I need to win the game, B5 is the only way to try and win. C5 is the other move, but then there's Rook D1, Rook D6. So this is the only way that I try to win the game. Let's go here on Bishop D5, I guess. Go here. Oh, wait. I don't really want to take. Great, he gets Knight F6, and I just have nothing. Ugh. I guess I have to do this. I don't want to do this, but I have to do this. Those just got F4 or something. Trying to think how to play this. Wait. Now I've got this, maybe? I mean, this looks a little bit shaky. Run the king up. Wait, this hangs a pawn? Still A6, though. E6. How do I even try, though, too? Oh, great. I blundered again. Unreal. The heck? Even here he finds g3. Unbelievable. I can force a draw, but